salvage a very, very rare part. What's happening there, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've been working on a boot tray that I picked up when I was at Silverstone. I didn't film Silverstone, it was too hot, it was grim, but I had a good time. I hope you went. I hope you had a good time as well. I'm sorry I didn't do a video on it, but I picked up a boot tray I picked up a boot tray from Barry Wolfenden. So thanks, Barry, really appreciate it. These things do not come up for sale. They are so rare. They are along the lines of the supercharger, for the Powerworks supercharger, rarest rocking or shit. What else is rare? Let's do a rundown. Supercharger is definitely number one. Powerworks supercharger, rarest thing to get. Boot tray maybe third. CFM throttle body is up there. CFM cam belt pulley is definitely up there. CFM short shifter is definitely up there. The Metal Monkey dials are definitely up there. Some really hard things to get, but the Metal Monkeys you can get, and Barry does have a set of them. So if you're interested, I've got them in mine. Have a look at the video on mine, but his are in chrome, not in black. Let me know. Leave me a comment if you're interested. I will let you know if he has still got them. But the boot trays do not come up if you're going to scrap yards, if you're going to breakers yards. If you find one, get it. They are so rare. Honestly, I don't know how many they made. I don't know how many produced. I've been looking on eBay for the past 3 years since I first seen one in Vicky's car, and then I saw a couple of people get them. I know Kev's got one. I know Ash has got one. I know a couple of people have got one, but they're still really hard to get. Anyway, so I picked up a plastic welder to do this video. Here it is. I will leave a link in the description from where I got this. Here's the pictures of the boot tray. When I got it, it was broke and it's missing the slats, but I'll get onto that because I have got a template for the slats. Once I've got some made up, if you do find one, hit me up. I have got a template that I got from Barry because Barry has all 5 of the slats in his. So I mocked up a template and I will end up knocking some out of some cheap plastic. Anyway, let's get into the video and salvage a very, very rare part. Right, so this is the plastic welding gun. Let me open it up here. So in this, you get a plastic welder, which is 2 rods, and you put the staples in between. Get the side cutters, which are a bag of shit. They're like Chinese cheese, they are. Terrible. You get a tiny little knife, still a bag of shit. And you get an array of staples. So there's one of the staples. There's another one of the staples. That's for like corner pieces. This is the main type of staple for fixing plastic. If there's a crack in the plastic, that's the main one you want to use. The last one, which is just like a bit of a straight staple, but it's got a slight bend in it. So that's that. And that will cost you, all in all, around 20 quid. But like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. Word of warning, do not use the crap side cutters with it. They can't cut butter, and I don't know why they put the Stanley knife in there. I'd assume it's to like cut off excess plastic. Once again, it's crap, but cheap. So if you want that one, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get it. So on with the video. trimmed down, we're going to get my sanding wheel on my drill and we'll start sanding the bloody thing down. Right, next up, a little bit of filler. Tiniest bit of hardener. Don't need too much because obviously we're only doing a small area. Wait for that to harden. Once it's hardened, we can sand it down and then spray it. Right, we'll just give it over 20 minutes to dry and harden. It's still a bit wet in places, so we'll give it just a little bit longer. Whilst this side was drying, I've done this side as well, so that's all sanded down now. So hopefully we should get them sanded once they're dry, and then Right, time to spray it. Took a lot of work, but we got there. Oh, let's give it a coat of black. So this is before, without the tray, and this is after. See, repairs are all done. Bit of scuffing still on the back of it, but nothing a rattle can't fix. Right, boot tray's in. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. Plastic welder's done a wicked job at that. I'll leave the link for the plastic welder down below. The only thing I need to do now is make the slats for it. So it's got 5 grooves in it, and that's got like slats so you can separate the tray so it's not one long tray. Luckily I got the template from Barry's, so when I picked this up from Barry, thanks Baz, really appreciate it. When I picked this up from Barry, his had the slats in it, but this one he didn't. So I got a bit of paper and I marked up a template, so I just need to get some thin plastic so I can make some of them up, but I do have the template, so we're going to do that and then we should be golden. I've always wanted one of these, very rare, very hard to get hold of, and when Barry texted me and said he's got one, I will take it, and I'm glad I did, because you can't find them. You cannot find them anywhere, and this one just needed a bit of fixing, and you know what I'm like for fixing stuff? I love fixing stuff. So that's it for this one. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to help the channel, hit the subscribe button. I'll leave the link down to the plastic welder, and I will leave the part number for the boot tray, although I've only ever seen this one in 5 years that has come up for sale. So yeah, really happy with it. Keep your eyes peeled. If you're going down breakers yards, scrap yards, anything like that, check in the boot for that. Let's say thanks for watching, and this Sunday is Blackpool Ford Day, so I'll be filming there, and if you're going, I'll see you there. Alright guys, take it easy.